Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is, if you haven't been following this little uh, series on how to make this shape, and I was doing this and helping somebody rotate, but I actually found a way to make this end cap a little easier. So I thought I'd show you it. It's pretty cool. I actually learned something today myself. I just took the Smart Fill tool and filled in this shape, and then I'll left click and right click and got that. And this is 0.61 thick of a line. So all I did was draw a, and this isn't what the video is mainly about, but I drew a 0.61 line. I hit P and put it in the center of the page. I made a perpendicular line and I hit P. I used the virtual segment delete key and I deleted that half. And this is where I really like it. I'm going to change this into a hairline. I'm using somebody sent me something and I'm using theirs. But I'm going to snap to that corner. Now when you do a rotation, I never could get it to, let's back up here. I need to change my rotation skew to that node. I don't actually think I got on it. And then when I would use my rotation here, I could never see for sure if it was in the right spot. Well, I kind of learned this myself today, that if you will click on your rotation, and then you can grab that node right there and it will snap to that other node. So you can get more precise and then you can remove that line. You could actually do the same thing on the other side. Let's Control D and make a duplicate of that. Let's move this over and do the exact same thing on the other corner. Let's grab it. Sometimes my laptop gives me problems. See, this time we need to remove the rotation of there and we need to put it here. Now, watch this. I'm going to just grab it right there on that node. You're still in rotation mode, and bam, it's just going to snap to it if you have snap to object on. And there you fill in those two shapes. You get your Smart Fill tool and you have a pretty symmetrical. This would mainly be used for anything, but a plasma cutter would use it for a bolt holder to hold the bolt. And I found out just last night it's really for decoration. I was just playing around with it today and drawing stuff like this that would, if you were making something with a track that I made actually from these parts, and just take that and I don't even know why I'm continuing with this. This is just the fun part of drawing. And then Control D and make a duplicate of that, mirror that, and take that node It's having a little bit of problem. Let's zoom in here. Take the pick tool and grab that node and put that node right there. And then delete that line and you've got a whole different shape. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.